Now we standing a week before Chanukah. What was the Nes Chanukah? What's the whole Nes Chanukah? Nes Chanukah, the Yevunim, they come, they broke the whole Beis HaMikdash, they destroyed everything, they took everything and they broke the menorahs with the bottles oil, all bottles oil. Then the Kahanim, the Chashmanim, the Tzaddikim, they come, they find one bottle of oil, and they make a whole yontif from this. The yontif Chanukah, this is to show for a person, even everything is tumah, and everything is broke, and everything is the Yevunim come and they destroyed everything. But you have to find something. And a kiddush, a good thing, and be happy with this. Be happy with this. You see, we have here a boy, can't walk, can't move, can't do nothing. And he smiles every day, and he's trying to be happy. Of course, a person that is healthy has to be happy. Marash says, Usher Drushetayvas, Einayim is the ayin, and Shinayim, and Yudayim, and Yiraglayim. If a person is healthy, thanks God, I'm walking and I'm moving, and I don't need someone to pick me up and put me in bed and pick me up, and thank God I'm a healthy person. You have to be thankful the whole day. Danken the Meibishten. Thank Hashem the whole day. Baruch Hashem, I'm walking. Baruch Hashem, I'm moving. Baruch Hashem, I'm... Yetzirah tries only to take your mind and focus on not good things. And this is the Milchama, whole day. Yetzirah brings up like you start, you have a computer, you know how a computer works? You start, you're watching something, and all of a sudden it's popped in advertisement, so you have to exit, and then boom. Or from the programs from the computer, you wanna install now this, X, go. This is the whole Milchama. Person is Baruch Hashem, I wake up and I'm healthy and I'm happy. Now it comes up a bad thing. What's going to be with this? Exit, put it away. You have to continue with the good things. This is Chanukah. Make a whole yontav, make a whole thing, make a whole matzah, make a whole everything, you know, make a whole happiness from a little bottle from oil. You find something, so make a yontav, make a party, be happy. This is the yontav Chanukah, to show a person, even the Yevunim, they take away from you everything, and you're not beside it, and you're not good, not berachnis, not begashmias, but you have to find something good and make from this a whole yontav. No, because when you listen to the Maaseh Chanukah, it's not a yontav. We have to make a Tisha B'Av, because we come in the Beis HaMikdash, you see everything is broke, and everything is destroyed. Everything is destroyed. All bottles oil was spilled out. So what? You find one bottle oil. So what's the big deal? Make a Tisha B'Av, make a fast day. Verstehst? Understand, Azik? So this is the way people thinking. People thinking, Menschen trachten. This is the way how people think. This is the way how people think. You know what? It's nothing here. No, the Chashmanim, they make a yontav. Let's be happy. I have something. At least. I have at least this. This is the way how to be happy, Rebbe Riven. Even it's not going everything like you want. The Rebbe says, why it goes for a person, Shaloike side, that the opposite is way. Why? I have a whole schedule on my day. I have to do this and I have to do this, and all of a sudden everything goes the opposite how I want it should be. So the Rebbe asks why it goes for a person shaloike side. So the Rebbe says because the person wants something. If you want something, then it goes for the opposite from you. When a person I don't want anything. Ich will eins sagen, I want what Hashem wants. I want what Hashem wants. If a person gives over in the hands from Hashem, and a person is relying on Hashem, then you're gonna have a good life, a good Leben. This is the Melchuma, the whole Melchuma. You have a computer, you have a phone, you're holding a middle from you want to watch something, and then all of a sudden it's bumped in advertisements, yeah? So after a few seconds, the program send you, maybe you want to install now Microsoft Word, this exit. No, I'm holding a mitten. So, let's say you're going in a website, you want to buy something. It's work like this, it comes in. So this is the whole Milchoma with the Yetzer Hara. Bringt dich auf, what's going to be with this, you have to do this, you have to... Bad things, what's going to be? Negative thoughts. Exit. Neem ze weg, no, take it away. Think from the good things what you have. This is Chanukah. Baruch Hashem. Wo ist der ganze Mensch? Wo ist der ganze Mensch? Der größte Mensch? Wo ist der ganze Mensch? What is all about it? A Mensch ist ein Gunnisch. Wo ist ein Mensch? In a split second, the person is nothing. Anything, not a stroke, even a stam, a person. Wo ist der ganze Mensch? A person falls down, he broke his foot. No. You think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna come? No. You have 6 weeks. You have to go with wo ist der ganze Mensch? Wo ist der Mensch? So ist in English, no? Wo ist der ganze Mensch? Kommt und geht und bräugt und blues. In a split second, the person is over. Not over. I feel like he's gestorben. Auch that split second. And in a stroke, has a heart attack. Even a little bit fever, no? Finish. You're in bed wie a tote Mensch, no? Lay in bed. Finish. You're gonna come, you're gonna fight, you're gonna do, and I'm gonna show, and I'm gonna ich will behalten, and ich will gehen mit aim, and I'm gonna hide myself, and I'm gonna do this. A person is nothing. A Mensch lebt mit dem. A lot of times, because I'm walking in the street, and usually when I'm walking, I'm making his brothers. Every time. So, but a Mensch noch nicht ganz ausgearbeitet. The person is not a... ich bin noch nicht ausgearbeitet. I'm not... right now, I'm not noch nicht ausgearbeitet. So, I forgot, I start thinking, and... Hashem, and I have this, and all of a sudden I got a cramp. Cramp? Ow. In Glach zoek ik bij Shefer. Right away I'm zoek bij Shefer, I have nothing, and I'm sorry, I forget about you, and this is like some give you a punch, and like, hey, what's up? This is the way, wat een mens dat leven met alle zaken. This is the way how a person has to take this. Let's say you have a plan for the day, and now it's not going. You have to take it. Oh Hashem, I forgot about you. I forgot about it. Please cancel all plans. What do you willst? Whatever you want. Whatever you want. Heb je te helpen, moet zeggen, dan kan je leven met de huisjes. Dan mag je te leven.